So again, if you're having low back pain and you're working on your core, now let's start to loosen up your hips because they're probably pulling on that back. Let's do a little anatomy session. So you've got your piriformis muscle, which kind of comes around here and pulls into your back. You also have your QL, your quadratus lumborum, or whatever it says, that comes like a big triangle down here. Now this is where you're feeling the pain probably, but it's probably due to some tightness down here, and we'll get to there, but we're gonna start down low. This is one technique that whenever we have pain, we wanna work away from the area of pain and then slowly work our way towards it, because as we find relief and some like mobility, this will start to release itself. And then when we go to actually hit the area of pain, your body doesn't lock up and get and almost hurt more, but it's ready to release and let go. To first get into those outer hips, we're gonna work on what's called external rotation. If you can, from a seated position, you're gonna bring that ankle up on top of the opposite knee. And it's okay if you're leaning back at first, but what you're gonna wanna do is try to get as tall as you can, both by lifting your sternum up, also almost trying to stick your butt back, a little arch in the back. You're gonna grip onto that knee, flex that foot, that means pulling the toes up, and then try to lean your chest forward. What we're trying to avoid is rounding of the back and trying to just reach our head forward. You almost want to think like you're zipping your belly button or from like your pelvis up to your heart. So I'm going to think about bringing my belly button forward, then my rib cage, and then my sternum. As I lean into this, I should feel a big stretch in my outer hip. Nice, working into this, opening this up. But of course, don't go towards pain, and don't try to just round and bring your head forward. Bring your heart. If sitting like that is not accessible for your body, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find a raised surface that you can step on comfortably, and you're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna lean forward, and then we're just gonna turn into this. Now we're not trying to crack our low back, we're trying to feel this in our hip. So we're gonna find ways to support ourselves and turn in until we feel that stretch in our outer hip. So again, if your back's bothering you, yes, you want to strengthen your core, but you also want to work on loosening up those hips. Do that, and if it doesn't give you any progress, shoot me a message, I'll help you out.